look who that is. Look, Boo Boo looks like a pro now.
Yeah. Looking over there.
She's like,
Wow,
oh,
what a big girl.
Oh, yeah. Can you stop?
Can you say that word? He knows that word, doesn't he?
Good job.
Yeah.
Good job, Boo Boo.
We're successful at this.
Yeah.
You're doing
We
very
have found
good.
something we like.
Yeah.
Pull back a little bit. There you go. He's good? Oh,
You can hold them now.
I can hold him now. Thank you. Well, good. Now, it's important that you tell me when you are done.
Uh-huh.
Okay? I like that. We're very honest with each other. Can you carry this helmet for me? Because I don't want to wear it anymore. Thank you.
I don't understand. Question. What are those rocks along there for?
Oh, when I teach all winter long, if I find a rock in the sand, I put it.
See? He
Yes,
was
I
right.
said, I said this